If you want to create a really quick and simple billboard effect for your sprites in Unity, you should continue watching this tutorial. Greetings, it's Maxo Diddley, and I'm going to show you how you can do a billboard effect in Unity. So I've basically got a really simple camera movement script set up so we can test out the billboarding. This is my camera move script, and it will be in the description below if you want to follow along with exactly what I'm doing. So firstly, you need to import a 2D sprite that you want to billboard in your Unity game. So I have got a tree. Then in your hierarchy you want to right click, then go to create empty. And on your empty game object you want to go to add component and type in sprite, and then click on sprite renderer. Then drag and drop your sprite into the sprite field for the sprite renderer, and modify the Y value to be whatever you want it to be. Once you've got that sorted, right click in your assets folder, go to create, and then go to C# script. Then name your script billboard. Then open up your script in Visual Studio. Firstly, we're going to do private transform cameraTransform, and basically this is going to be storing a reference to the camera that we want to use to do our billboarding with. And in the start function, we're going to do cameraTransform equals camera.main.transform. So we're going to be getting a reference to the main camera of the game. If you don't want to use the main camera as your reference point for your billboarding, you could, if you want to, make this a serialized field and then drag and drop the right camera into the inspector. And in the update code, we're going to do 2 lines of code. We're going to do transform.LookAt cameraTransform, and then transform.rotation equals Quaternion.Euler 0, transform.rotation.eulerAngles.y, and 0. So let's break this down. So update occurs once every frame, and transform.LookAt cameraTransform is going to make our object look towards the camera. And this other line, transform.rotation.Quaternion.Euler, this line is going to keep the object upright and only allows the object to rotate around the y-axis, which is left or right, in 3D terms. So this ensures our object that we're billboarding doesn't do any weird tilting. And with that, you can save your work and go back to Unity. We're going to go to the game object we made before and drag and drop our billboard script onto it, and then rename our object to something like tree. Then we're going to drag and drop the tree object into the assets folder to create a prefab, and then we're going to drag and drop a few more trees into our scene to test out the code. I'm then going to move the trees to make a very, very, very low populated forest with a few trees. And with that, we're then going to save our work and hit the play button. And with that, as you can see, the trees are now billboarding. They are looking towards us. And you might think, but why do I need this? Well, if we go to the tree prefab and disable the billboarding script, and then hit play again, notice how the trees don't rotate towards you and they look very flat now. So, thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.